So we did a little change. So this one had 3 boxes with the super. Super's full of brood. So I did a split, queen rate split, put them in a nuke, took them somewhere else. And then I left this one here to make their own queen. And then I did the second brood box, put it over here. Hopefully, I'm checking to see if there's enough bees in this one. And if they're making queen cells. It's been about a week. Oh yeah. They stayed. That's good. Let's see what we got. I also gave them a pollen patty just to kind of keep them together. These are extremely gentle bees. They just kind of pop over to say hello. None of them are in my face, none of them are trying to kill me. That's why I propagated this hive. Hopefully there's enough nice hives in this area. I mean, there's one there, but you don't really want that because they'll be inbreeding. And then there's a couple others here. So 3 out of 5. Oh, queen cells are just starting to cap them. So that's what you see. I don't know if you can see in there. There's some white. See that glistening white? It's queen. So all of these girls hatched out. Oh. This one. So there's 2 more queen cells right there. Good, good. We might not have enough food. I don't see any food. There's still some eggs. They're falling over. Okay. Let's just kind of slide that over. Trying to be gentle here. Might need to go steal a frame of honey. Yeah. Alright, let's go steal a frame of honey. I don't think they're gonna live without it. I'm pretty sure one of these hives is pretty well close these girls up. So if the other one gets aggressive. I was unable to find any more honey. So back to the shake method. So you see all the bubbles. Surface tension won't let it in. See all the bubbles now. Just do this on each side. You can at least get at least half to 3/4 of a frame. Some of those aren't full yet. You can see all the bubbles rising up. It means it's filling. When the bubbles end, it means it's full. Or at least fuller. So you want to drip dry it. They're already liking it. See that? So this hive also didn't really have very much stores. So what I did was I did a split from here, took a box off, put it here, and we're currently feeding these girls. And I'm adding a few more bees from here from this hive. This hive is the mother hive. It was only yesterday that I split them. So, actually it was a week ago, but they're not fighting. It's okay. There's no queen anyway to kill, so it's not like there's going to be any problems. Well, let's rescue some bees. I just really like sugar water. There you go. Sprinkle. Do one more of this hive. See all those? I mean, it's just frothy. And you'll know. You pick up the frame when it's 3-4 pounds. It's already done. Look at that. That means it's been absorbed. It's been put into the cells, ready to go. Now you can see the difference here. Empty, full. So we'll put this back in here and make sure to drip dry it in case there's any brood below it. Don't want them getting wet. All right, they're already taken to it. The reason I'm doing this, yesterday I came out here just to check on these hives, and the brood was starting to get dry, meaning when you look in there, there's a giant spider. There's brood in there, larvae, little commas, you know, but the workers don't have enough food, liquid food, honey, to feed them properly. So what happens is the larvae start to dry out and then they will die. They need to be fed constantly or else they die. So we're gonna do probably a couple more frames just to make sure they're good. Whoops, sorry. Get all these ladies off of here. Okay, excellent. Come on, little girl, you gotta leave. I know you're thirsty, but you gotta leave. Come on. Okay. One more time. And it's happening on the other side too. If you get one that it just won't do it, tilt it so the cells are pointing up. That kind of helps. And they're just all in this, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Alright. I mean, you can flip the frame around, but the problem is, if you do that, so say I wanted to get all the other stuff from on the other side, it'll work, but the issue is you're going to have, yeah, it didn't really work at all. See all those? I'm not full. This isn't really heavy at all. Come on. You gotta leave. I gotta close this up soon. They're getting crazy. Crazy amounts of bees falling in here. And your gloves get all mucked up. Alright, I guess I can't worry about them. Get out, see? Once you shake it, it's not Nothing really in there. You gotta really shove it in there to get these. Surface tension is no joke. Plus it's pretty thick syrup. Well, the good thing is if there's any bees that are coated in syrup, they'll more readily accept them and they won't fight. Okay, there we go. So we'll put this next to the other one that we got out. And that should be plenty of syrup for these ladies. At least until they get going. Just bees everywhere, lapping up syrup. They don't care if they get squished, but I care. All right, one more. Let's put this one in there. It's a little bit more of a complete frame. All right, that's it. So the brood is over here. It's not ideal, but it'll work. You do have some, queen cells going. Try to rescue as many as I can out of here. Close them up. All right, well, there you go. Just doing what we can to save these bees. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Really helps me out. Starting to get quite a few subscribers. YouTube refuses to turn back on my comments, so what can you do? You can find me on Facebook, Golden Legion Honey. All right, thanks for watching.